And here we found the tailor in the tailor shop. Hello everyone! Now I'm in Lusaka. And I'm going for a walk now towards Northmead Market to see if I can find a tailor to repair some clothes. And on the way I'm going to show you a little bit of what Lusaka looks like. And now you can see it's very many beautiful green trees here in Lusaka. And there's also nice roads to walk on here, so you don't have to walk on the main roads. You can actually walk on the walking road, which is very nice and much safer. And you have to be very careful when crossing the roads here in Lusaka. Don't expect the cars to stop for you. You have to basically cross when there's no cars or when there's great room between you and the cars. So here we're going to try to cross the first road. You can see here is a zebra crossing and standard charter. So you see, Lusaka is actually looking nice. And here you can see there's plenty of cars here on this roundabout, and you can see now the banners for the different political parties. And it is very nice to walk around in Lusaka, and it's actually safe. I've walked around many times. I have never had any issues, but I always walk during daytime. So it's safe to walk during daytime, but don't walk at night. That is not safe, especially if you're white. And here you can see some of the safeties as it's put on the houses here, where there's wiring on top and big walls. And on this side here you can see they have electrical fences to prevent the thieves from entering the property. So lots of security on many houses here in Lusaka. So when you live in properties like this, you will probably never ever get to see your neighbor. And now I found a small Airtel booth, so hopefully I can buy some top-up time. Muli Bonji? You sell airtime?
Direct.
Yeah? Oh, direct, okay. How much? You have 50 kwacha? I can buy.
I don't have cards, it's just direct. You just give me your number, then I send this to your phone.
Okay, I can top up for 50?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Hello. Selling fruits from Zambia. Yeah. And clothes even. Yeah. When I'm in Lusaka, I always try to purchase something from these small businesses, as it means a lot to the people there. I could have easily bought the top-up card at the Airtel shop in the shopping mall, but I think it's better to help the small businesses out. And here it looks like they're selling some sort of small doghouse or something. And now we're getting closer to the Northmead Market, but we just have to find a way to cross the road. How am I going to be able to cross this road? Let's find out. And here you can see a bus stop. And another bus stop on the other side. And luckily we managed to cross this busy Great East Road. And now we're on our way to see if we can find the tailor at Northmead Market. And here you can see the area, and you can see that it's getting a bit more crowded. Now I'm going to be entering Northmead Market. And here we found the tailor in the tailor shop, and she's going to repair all our clothes today, so we're very happy. How long have you had this job?
Over 20 years.
Over 20 years? Oh yeah, very experienced.
Yeah, somehow, yes.
Yeah. You have made these chitenge dresses?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, very nice.
She's Comfort, my firstborn daughter. And the other one is the Stembiso. It's finished. So we throw it. Yeah? You still want it? I'm sorry. Okay, where else? It's finished now.
Mama, this one.
This one.
This one.
Comfort. a red cotton. Check that side. There's no red cotton there.
Come on. Oh, this one. And it's very long.
It's yours.
This one is my thing. It's very nice, this one.
First, I'm looking for colors that can go on what is here. This one is where here. This one is for who? Yours.
Sonia.
For Sonia, even this one.
Oh, this is also Sonia. This
Yours.
nothing mine.
You're right. You don't steal clothes, huh? See, Sonia? Mainly from your big sister, huh? Sonia like playing too much, huh? The red one. Put it here.
I was staying in Olympia Park.
Oh, Olympia Park.
Yeah.
Okay, that's near to my place.
This one is finished. Nothing more.
In Chihuahua Road, I stayed.
Okay,
Oh, this one. Oh, this one.
But right now, you're just at your hotel?
Yeah.
Okay. Sonia, what happened here?
Maya. It's not mine.
It's you who destroyed here, Maya.
It's mine.
You started this one, also finishing it. You like the dress?
I like this dress.
You also like it? It's a nice dress, but I'll get it for comfort.
What are you doing?
Sewing.
Sewing? What is that? This one?
A blouse.
It is very small for you.
I'll fit, it stretches. Now I'm thinking and wondering what to be done on this one. You want this one? Okay. So we cut from here. This roast flour.
And here you can see number 111, Martha's tailor shop.
Yes.
Yeah. And now we just finished at the tailor shop, and I actually recommend people coming here if you need to fix anything or get anything made. It's a very reasonable place to do it, and the work is also very good. This is how they carry the nuts here in Zambia. How much are the groundnuts?
150.
Huh?
150.
Okay. You can have one with 20. Yeah. And where do you get these groundnuts from?
In soy.
Here they have African drums and boxes. Chessboards. You have a hairdresser here?
Yes.
Yeah. And this is... how long does it take to make the hair like this?
30 minutes. 1 hour, 30 minutes.
1 hour, 30 minutes for everything. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah.
Sit, we do it. I said we do it.
And now I've just left the Northmead Market. And now I'm going to the Melissa Mini Market, where my mother used to buy things when I was a small child. So I'm going to see if I can find some things there that I remember as a child that we don't have in Norway. And here it is, Melissa Supermarket. And here it is, the shop. It actually looks quite the same as I remember when I was small. And I'm actually looking for appletiser, which was a very popular drink here when I was a child. And we managed to find it, which is so great. And you found the appetizer, yes?
Yes.
One more. appetizer. You ready to taste it?
Yes.
Yeah, but first we have to buy it.
Yes.
Here's the butchery. We have many things here. And another thing I remember as a child is the finger biscuits. Did you find the finger biscuits, Maya?
Yes.
And these are not available in Norway.
Yes.
You have never tasted them in Norway?
No.
We are going to taste them here in Zambia. Finger biscuits. Yes. And now we finished at Melissa Supermarket and we're so happy we found what we were looking for. So it's going to be fun for the children to taste appletiser for the first time. And Melissa Supermarket is a very nice place to shop. Because you don't have to stand in queue for ages and walk around searching for stuff. It's very easy to find everything that you need there. So now we have to look for a taxi because we can't walk in the dark. And now I'm just returning to my hotel, the Taj Pamodzi, the best hotel in Lusaka. And now I'm back at the hotel. And one thing to remember when taking a taxi in Zambia is that there is no fixed price. So you have to negotiate, and you should know the kind of price range before you go in, because if you are a tourist they will try to get you to pay a bit more, but to be fair, you know, that's the way that they can increase their income and from someone who's able to afford to pay more. But to give a good indication about the price, you can also use, you can ask a local person, or you can that you trust and didn't know. Or you can also have a look at the Ulendo app. It's also a way to book taxis now. It's kind of like the African Uber. And those are fixed price, so then you can just look up and then you can know what the price range is. And what are you eating?
Nuts.
Yeah, the groundnuts, the Zambian groundnuts.
Yes.
You like them?
Yes.
What do they taste like?
Don't know.
But you're enjoying them.
It's inside.
It's not so easy to peel them.
Yes. What's the inside? It's pink.
See. Yes, and groundnuts is what they make peanuts from. And there you have the finger biscuits.
Yes.
You like the biscuits?
Yes.
I also liked them when I was a child. And it's always nice to have childhood memories of appletiser. So here I am, and if you're wondering, yes, it's non-alcoholic. I drank it as a child. It's a lovely, lovely apple soda. So nice. Cheers for childhood memories. And you are now tasting the appetizer for the first time. And what does it taste like?
Apple.
It's nice?
Yes.
You enjoyed?
Yes.
So, thanks for watching. And please subscribe so I can see you next time. Bye!